Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Mazda Mazda 3 Grand Touring. It does have a rebuilt title. It did not have the airbag deployed. As you can see, we've gotten it all put back together in great working condition. Mazda Styling did a great job with the halos and the headlights, the turn signals and the mirrors. Does have a sunroof. Pop the back hatch. Have a lot of room in there. There's the dual exhausts. All right, let's close up the hood and hop in. Come around and open the door. Get a shot of the VIN. Over here we have your power windows and power locks, your power mirrors. There's your seat adjustment. Traction control and lane drifting sensors. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off so you can see what happens when we turn it on. That comes up for our display. That comes up for our hologram display. Come down here, see it has 2,487 miles on it. The steering wheel, you can control your calls and your stereo. You can also set cruise control. If you look in your hologram, you can actually see the settings that we're setting up. You also have your climate control. So here's your radio interface. You see you have access to AM, FM, XM, Pandora, Bluetooth, USB. Come down here, you have your climate control. You're gonna change the temperature of your seat or heat your steering wheel. Both sides you can choose different temperatures if you needed to. Fan speed. If you look down here, got your stick shift. You can also control your park brake. And then you also have the ability to toggle what's up here on your stereo, hands down instead of up there, so that it's a little bit safer to use. There's your push button volume. Here's your navigation. Come up here, watch your navigation pop up. right, it does have leather seats, and in the back as well. And of course you have your overhead lighting and your sunroof control. All right, so let's go ahead and hop out. You can hear the engine run. All right, so there it is. It's your 2018 Mazda 3 Grand Touring. Find more inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.